don't seem to know. So please just understand that you need to let go. I found you, lost without ambition. So don't move, 'cause I can see you slipping. I found you.
Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that little trading session. One of the things that I wanted to share today is that there's no question that the market as of right now is super inconsistent. Like we've said, there's no question that there's a lot of opportunity in the current stock market, but with a lot of opportunity comes great responsibility. And one of the things that I wanted to do is I wanted to start a challenge in which that instills and motivates people to stay consistent and focus on quality trades by being extremely selective with what trades they choose to take advantage of. The 1% challenge is simply just an idea, it's a goal, it's something to work towards, not something that you necessarily have to hit every single day. One of the things that I've experienced myself is because you have so much freedom as a day trader, it's very difficult to sometimes have structure, especially if you're someone that's just getting started. So there's three main reasons that I started this challenge. By aiming towards a goal of 1%, it at least empowers you to be selective and not to just trade anything out there, but to make sure that the risk to reward ratio is definitely there, meaning that the margin of profit of what it is that you're about to trade at least offers that 1% incentive. On top of that, it instills some form of intrinsic motivation to work towards something in comparison to just, trading to trade. And one of the last things is it at least motivates you to be more selective and not take advantage of just any opportunity, and therefore encouraging you to only take advantage of opportunities and trades that are actually worth taking. And I actually took this on over to Instagram. I nominated 5 people to accept my 1% challenge. And one of the things that I wanted to share with you is, again, to just empower you during a market that right now is so inconsistent and so volatile. Yes, there is a lot of opportunity present, but it comes at a great form of risk. And one of the things that I wanted to do is at least have some form of incentive for those that work towards a goal and stick to it. Again, the 1% is just an idea. If you aim for 1.5% because you want to aim a little bit more aggressively, or if you're a little bit more conservative and you want to aim for 0.5%. The whole idea is to have a goal, to be selective, and to simply work towards it, to have structure. To act as an incentive to empower you to accept this trading challenge is if you tag me on Instagram for the next 24 hours, we're going to be keeping track of everyone that tags us and that accepts the 1% trading challenge. As long as you nominate another 5 people, I'm going to be selecting 2 people that tag me within the next 24 hours and give them access to the Learn Plan Profit course for free. Again, the Learn Plan Profit team is the only team that gets to watch me trade live every single day. So if you guys want to accept this 1% trading challenge, all you have to do is smash that like button, tag me on Instagram, and then nominate another 5 people that you want to motivate and empower to be selective and accept that 1% challenge. Let's keep it simple, let's keep it sweet, let's enjoy what it is that we do every single day. Don't forget to stay connected. The first link down below is our free investing group. We're literally the largest group on Facebook for those that day trade in the stock market, and if you would love to stay connected, be sure to click that first link down below. When you guys are ready to tag me on Instagram, I'm going to be plugging my Instagram with the second link down below. And altogether, I'm really excited to see who accepts the 1% challenge. Like always, team, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.